Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Beautiful Home Decor. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: stylish sofa come back. These versatile pieces of furniture are perfect for maximizing space and provide both sitting and sleeping options. So let's dive into the world of sofa come bed and explore different styles that can elevate your home decor. First up, we have the modern sectional sofa come bed. These stylish and contemporary design offer for ultimate flexibility. Sectional sofa come bed are modern in nature, allow you to rearrange and configure them to suit your space and need. Whether you want a comfortable sitting arrangement for your family and guests, or a cozy bed for overnight visitors, these multifunctional pieces have got the covered. Next, we have the folding sofa combat. This space saving solution is perfect for small apartment or room where the space is limited. This sofa combat feature a simple folding mechanism that easily transform them from a comfortable sitting area during the day to a cozy bed at night. With their compact size and versatility, folding sofa cum bed are a practical and stylish addition to your home. Moving on, we have the fountain sofa cum bed. These Japanese-inspired designs are known for their sleek and minimalistic aesthetic. Fountain typically consists of mattress that can be easily fold and transform into a sofa during the day. Fountains sofa cum bed are great choice for those who appreciate simplicity and functionality. These are available in a variety of different materials such as fabric, leather, allow you to find the perfect match for your home decor. Last but not least, we have the convertible day bed sofa. These elegant and versatile pieces are perfect for creating a cozy nook in your home, office, and guest room. During the day, they function as a comfortable sofa for lounging or work. And at night, they easily transform into a spacious bed for a restful sleep. With this stylish design and multifunctional convertible day bed sofa, add a touch of elegance and practicality to your for your living space. And there you have it, our top picks and stylish sofa compared. Whether you prefer modern, sectional design, foldable space-saving solution, minimalistic fountain, and elegant convertible day bed. Their style to suit every taste and interior home. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Beautiful Home Decor for more home decor ideas. One thing remember, sofa combat are not just functional. They can also enhance the beauty of your living space. Until next time, take care, bye bye, happy decoring.